Let's make chicken soup today, with root vegetables, and with noodles. You will need chicken bones, an onion, a parsnip, 2 carrots, celeriac, noodles, bay leaf, black peppercorns, salt, and parsley. Cover a chicken carcass in boiling water. You will need about 3 liters of water. Add a bay leaf. Add a few whole peppercorns. This soup can be made with bones, or with chicken wings. Bring the broth to the boil, then, cover it with a lid, lower the heat, and simmer gently for 1 hour. Scrape the skin of 1 parsnip, using a knife, or a potato peeler. Do the same with 2 carrots. Cut a piece of celeriac root. We are using about 1/3 of a small celeriac. Cut the skin off. Peel 1 onion, and cut the onion in half. After simmering the broth for an hour, add all the vegetables, and simmer the broth, with the vegetables, for about half an hour. Then, take the parsnip, carrots, and celeriac out. Sieve the broth. Simmer the broth again. Dice the boiled root vegetables. If there is any meat left on the bones, you could add this meat to the soup. Add a portion of noodles to the soup, and cook the noodles, according to the instructions on the pack. Add the vegetables, and the chicken meat. Simmer the soup, until the noodles are cooked. You will need to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, but do taste the soup first, to see how much salt is needed. Remove the stalks from parsley, and chop the parsley leaves. Serve the soup with parsley on top.